Hi everyone, it's Anne Marie, and I am back again with my next design team package for Country Craft Creations, and I'm super excited for this one. And well, to be honest, I'm always excited for all the paper that I get, but this one in particular, fall is my favorite time of year with all the beautiful colors and and a nice crisp air. But I love the fall papers that come out as well, and nobody does fall paper better than Authentique. Um, So what I got in my package was Authentique's Gracious paper collection, and you can see here each one of the little pages, or a little sample of each one of the pattern papers. Beautiful. And again, this is called Gracious, and I am so cutting this out, and I am going to use that in my book. So before I get to the papers, let me show you the awesome ribbon that I got. Now, oh, I think I got too much light there. This is like a really light tan. I can't think of what this is. Burlap. That's what it is. It reminds me of burlap. But look at the fringed edges and the polka dots. This is definitely going on my cover. And then I also got the beautiful fall colors of seam binding. There's not quite sage, but not quite regular green. It's beautiful. This one's like a mocha color, and this one you can see is a gorgeous, nice, rich chocolate brown. That's seam binding. All right, so before we get to each of the individual papers, I'm going to show you the elements sheet. Now, these are not stickers. These are actual cardboard punch-outs, if you want to call them that. But look at that. Look at the nice, beautiful colors. It looks vibrant on my computer screen, so actually multiply that by 5 is what it's really like in person. The little tea set, these are probably 1 inch by 1 inch squares, maybe 1.5 inches, maybe. But look how beautiful. That looks like my niece Melissa when she was little. Oh, let's get cozy. May the bounty of the season fill your heart and home. Love that. Reflect upon your present blessings, upon which every man has plenty. Charles Dickens. And then I love all these little, look at the little dude doing a headstand. He's so cute. And then have a grateful heart. Watch the leaves fall. Although I do like watching the leaves fall, but I hate having to clean them up. Down here, apple cider, pumpkin pie, and hay rides. You color me happy. And then these cute little banners. This was probably one of my favorites too. Autumn, the year's last loveliest smile. Love that. And then there's a couple of more. You are greatly appreciated, and there is beauty all around. Oops, sorry. There is beauty all around. So that is the elements page. And then look at that. That's the back. They could have just left it white, or I don't know, but look how beautiful the back is. It's incredible. This is a beautiful maroon color with all these cute little leaves, like skeleton leaves, kind of. Love it. All right, here we go. Ready? This is paper number 1. It's called Gracious 1. I guess that's corn. I originally thought that was wheat, but I think that's corn. Look at the patterns. Beautiful, like mustardy color yellow and some really muted green. That's number 1, and that's the back. Look at that! I love it! All the little gourds and the pumpkins, and oh, love it. Okay, so here is Gracious 2. And what is fall without a gorgeous green and yellow and brown plaid? Love that. And this is the back side. Look at the gorgeous pears, and just love it. This, I think, is wheat, right? Somebody tell me in the comments. I think this is wheat. I don't know. I don't care what it is. I love it. And it's in chocolate brown, and it's got some light orange. Can you see the polka dots? Yeah. And you can see it's distressed all along the edges. Okay, and then Gracious. This is the back, sorry, of Gracious 3. Look at that. I think that's a tulip. Well, I'm not sure, but I think that's a tulip. Look at the birds. There's just, just incredible. The colors are just alive. I love it. And forget about it. Look at this stripe. Anybody that knows me knows I love a stripe. But fall stripes, forget it. I'm done. Anyway, this is Gracious 4. Look at that. Just, it couldn't be more perfect. And then this is the back. And then let me just show you. Look at those two together. Oh, incredible. Incredible. Love the leaves. All the colors. Okay, Gracious 5. This one's super fun. It's like a tea party. Little teapots, and I collect teapots. So, and like old-fashioned teapots. So I wish I could get my hands on this one right here. I absolutely love that one. And little teacups, and a little sugar bowl, and a creamer. Love that. This is the back of Gracious 5. Those little acorns, do I have that upside down? I have that upside down. Those are like little acorns, I think. But I love it. Here is Gracious 6. Again, the maroon and the orange and the light green, the plaid. And look at the back of number 6. Forget it. I'm just like, I just don't know what I'm going to do. Look at that. Incredible. Love it. As my friend Sally would say, oh my God, I can't even. Sally, I hope you watched us all the way through to that. That's for you, my friend. I missed you. This one is kind of like, it's got little mushrooms. It's like a dark mustardy background with, there's like some little acorns, some mushrooms, some grass. Love it. And that is the backside of the first cut apart sheet. Look at the detail, first of all. Well, the color smacks you in the face, but the detail of all these vintage cut aparts. Look at that lady. What is that thing called? Is that a cornucopia? I think so. It's just incredible. Look at her holding her pumpkins in her little dress. That pumpkin with those apples, that's going on my cover. Watch me change it. You'll all be like, you lied to me, but whatever. So, love it. I just don't know where they find these. Look at that. That's beautiful too. Squash and the Belize squash. And look at that. Oh, wait, no, I might do that on the cover. I don't know. Anyway, it's a red wagon full of pumpkins with the trees and a little home in the background. Incredible. Okay, then this one is Gracious 8 with the forks and the spoons. And you can see a little bit of the distressing and like a rusty color. That's another thing Authentique does really well is distress the paper, making it look distressed. Okay, then this is Gracious 8. It's the 3x4 cut aparts. So I can smell autumn dancing in the breeze. Oh, love it. Shorter days and setting sun sets the stage for autumn fun. Pumpkins 15 cents. There's the silverware. Life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. Isn't that true? Isn't that true? And then leaves are falling, autumn is calling. Then there's some wheat. And then grateful, thankful, blessed. I think I love fall most of all. And then a gourd, 15 cents from the Seed Company. There's a gorgeous pear. And then that one I love too. It says thankful. And those are the pages that are in the collection. What did I say? There was 8 of them? Yeah. 8 double-sided pages. And Authentique, I don't know what pound paper this is. This is definitely not just 65 pound. And it's gorgeous. It feels almost textured-y linen-like, but not linen like the artisan cardstock. I don't know. It's hard to describe. I wonder if it says... Let's see. No, it doesn't say what pound it is, but I'm pretty sure it's at least 65. If it's not 80, I'd be surprised. Okay, so then I also get, well, the boring stuff is the chipboard. I get two 12x12s of chipboard. And then lastly, but definitely not least, is the Spectrum colored cardstock. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me open these up. So there are 7 pieces of the Spectrum colored cardstock. So this is Crocodile Smile. This one's Ginger Snap. This one is Honeycomb. This one is Hot Cocoa. Mustard Seed. Then I have Orange Blossom, which love, 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 love. And then this one is Tricycle Red. Love the names. And then, so these are all polka dotted on the front. And when you turn it over, they're striped on the back. Incredible. So that is my paper collection that I am going to be making for you. There will be a free tutorial comes up. I'm going to make a mini album and one other thing. I am going to not only use everything that was sent to me, I actually have some fall leaf dies, which I did not pull out, sorry. Probably should grab those. I have some fall leaf dies that I'm going to use. Going to make some beautiful leaves. And I have some other ribbon. I'm having a great time with this. I already have the book itself done. I just need to decorate it and do the tutorial for you. So that, stay tuned for that. And hope you're having a great weekend. Here on the East Coast, we're supposed to have a super beautiful, nice, cool day. So fall's coming, guys. It's coming. So have a great weekend, and I will be back in a few days. Thanks. Bye.